What is going on, guys? So today we got a special package from Rabbit Labs. Big thanks to them from Rabbit and pinkFoxx. They have been so gracious enough to send me some goodies to review for my channel. And we're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing to see what is inside. All right, let's pick a side here. No knife needed. All right, let's see. All right, so stickers. We got a big Rabbit Labs wearable. I believe this is the hoodie. And these are, I believe, some boards that they sent out to me. And some extra bubble wrap. Cool. So, we will go ahead and take a look at these things shortly. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the stickers. I'm gonna do that, and let's see here. Ooh, we got a lot of stickers here. Perfect. So we got some not safe for work stuff. We got some awesome regular hollow rabbit stickers. Some from pinkFoxx. These will be awesome. My son will love these. Thank you guys so much for those. He loves the rabbit, so it was only... And they're cool. And then we got some of these as well. Perfect. So, who doesn't like stickers? Everybody should love stickers. All right, I'll do these last because I'd rather get the bigger stuff out the way. Awesome, wow, look at that. This is the hoodie. Giant. Ooh, it's a zipper down too. That is awesome. Man, that is a amazing feeling. And I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but that's like a nice felt, like a sweatpant material. Really awesome. It's still pretty chilly where I'm at, so this will definitely come in handy. Awesome. And I got it bigger because my wife will like to sleep in this, so she likes to. All right, let's take a look at what's in here. So we've got several things. Ooh, we got some Rabbit branded SD cards. Awesome. We've got infrared card, giving just a little spec on what the board is. And then we have some goodies here. Let's see. Which one is this one? Ah, nice. So we've got the Masta-Blasta here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really cool. Awesome. We'll put that there. And this one here, we have the XeonV2 board. Awesome. So we'll get to test out some of my NRF and CC11s together. Cool. This one is the Ghost board, which is one of the most awesomest boards, I think. I'm glad that they're reviving the project. I'd hate to see it go, and this is such a cool looking board. And then, if I'm not mistaken, you gotta get some ASMR bubble wrap popping. This is the GPS for it. Awesome. Cool. Well, that is the unboxing of all this stuff. thanks to Rabbit and pinkFoxx for sending me these goodies for review. I will definitely get to that when I can. We just had a huge power outage yesterday where I'm at, and we're still trying to play catch up. So, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for the reviews for these, and I'll see you in the next one.